What's up, guys? Keith Trades. Today is December 11th, and we're going to go over my inverse fair value gap setup at the all-time highs, how do we trade the all-time highs, and everything in between. So, as you can see, this is my setup, but let's get into how do we trade all-time highs. How do we look for an area of interest to play off of? And it's very simple. It's going to come on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, or the 1 and 4 hour. You're looking for the market to form an imbalance in the market, a fair value gap. And you're looking for market to trade back into that fair value gap. Right? This is the all-time high. And you would look for something like this. We break structure, we leave an inverse. That is your point of entry. Your target is what? All-time high. This is the log model continuation. This is the exact setup that we look for at all-time highs in a trending market. We're looking for market to reprice, respect a higher time frame imbalance, and then look for a point of entry from there, either looking for an inverse or a bullish fair value gap. Boom. That is what we look for in the market. So coming into today's setup, it was very simple. We just shot up off the open. It sucks, but we just did not get a setup. Again, this setup was not traded live. It was actually called out in my chat because we just had hopped off. And right when we hopped off, a setup ended up coming, which is unfortunate. But I said at 8 o'clock, 15-minute log model potentially setting up. I said act on your own accord, 28 and 36 your scale points, and I ran through the trade. So if they were there, they saw it, they should have executed with confidence. But yeah, I was not live at the time, which is unfortunate, so I cannot count that for the win rate. But 15-minute fair value gap formed here. And what do we see? Right? I like the consolidation. When I see a consolidation range like this, I'm looking for manipulation. Either we sweep higher to run lower, or we sweep what? Lower to run higher. And of course, I was looking for the sweep lower to run higher, obviously, because, we're looking for longs in line with the higher time frame trend. So again, we got that consolidation range. Manipulation move lower. Swept out sell side. So now I'm looking for a point of interest. You could either find it on a 1-minute bullish formation, which in my opinion was a bit of an early entry. I got in. Once I saw the buying from that fair value up, I was confident I got in at 701. And then where would my inverse be? This bearish fair value gap here. We get the candle closure above on this candle, and then I ended up adding my full position. Again, proof of fills are going to be on TikTok, on IG, on anywhere. You can find the proof of fills. And like I said, right, 28 and 36 were those targets. 28 target and 36 target. And obviously, you can leave runners, which would have hit nicely here. But again, that's the gist of trading at all-time highs. You're looking for retrace and respect. It's the same model as always. We dug into a 15, formed a bullish where you can get an early entry, or me, I like to stay patient. Once I saw the buying from that, I got in long at the 701 entry here. Once we inverse close above, I got long, and I just placed my stop at this low. Why do I put my stop so tight? Because if we're finding buying, we should see what? Efficient delivery, which we got there nicely, formed a fair value gap. We respected that fair value gap and continued on to the target. So that's going to be December 11th, guys. Simple. How do you trade the all-time highs? Retrace and respect. As always, you find your 15-minute, you find your 5-minute, you find your fair value gap, you look for it to trade into it, respect it, and then find your point of entry from there. The targets are always very simple. But that's going to be it for December 11th. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, we have a link in the bio. We'd be happy to have many new members. But until next time, guys, peace out.